Okay, I'm going to keep this short since I'm not feeling well, but the reason that our videos are down is because of censorship, basically. Everyone was just piling on my husband, telling him that they did not approve of the content of our bantering, and so he took all of our videos down. It wasn't YouTube. So yeah, no matter how irritated I am with the situation, gotta respect his wishes. So we can't have fun anymore. We have to watch our mouths, no swearing. We have to be very careful of any finger gestures we might use. We have to be very careful about anything we might say that's derogatory about someone's orientation, as it were. I guess pretty much we have to be an evangelical Bible show in order to keep ourselves on the air. And yet, somebody like Chris Crocker can get on here and cuss like a truck driver and get his own TV show. Now I ask you, where's the justice in that? But again, this is my husband's thing. I'm not going to screw it up for him. I just wanted you guys to know where the Sean and Shannon show went.